In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable discounts on Zoho Invoice, whether you're looking to offer special promotions to your clients or manage your invoicing more flexibly. Understanding how to enable discounts is essential. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you can set this up seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to access your Zoho Invoice account. Once you're logged into your account, the dashboard will be your starting point. This is the central hub where you can manage all of your invoicing needs, and today, we'll focus on leveraging it to set up discounts. Now, look towards the settings area. This is generally represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will give you access to a multitude of options to customize your Zoho Invoice experience. Within the settings menu, you'll want to locate and click on General Preferences. Here is where the magic happens for configuring the fundamental aspects of your invoices, including the ability to apply discounts. Now, as you scroll through the General Preferences options, keep an eye out for the section that asks, "Do you give discounts?" This is where you can specify whether or not you offer discounts to your clients, and if so, to what extent. If you currently don't offer any discounts, there's an option labeled "I don't give discounts." Selecting this option essentially means that none of your invoices will include a space for discounts, keeping them straightforward and reflecting the full price of your products or services. Next, consider the option that allows you to apply discounts at line item level. This means that each individual item or service you list on an invoice can have a specific discount applied to it. This option is exceedingly useful if you're offering varied discounts for different items or service categories, providing a granular level of control and flexibility. Similarly, there's another option to apply discounts at transaction level. What this does is allow you to apply a blanket discount to the entire invoice rather than the individual line items. This is ideal for scenarios where you want to offer an overall discount, like a seasonal special or a loyalty discount for returning clients, streamlining the process instead of specifying discounts for each item separately. Once you've chosen how you'd like to apply discounts, go ahead and select the option that best meets your business needs. Finally, and most importantly, don't forget to click on the Save button. This action ensures that all your discount settings are recorded and will be applied to future invoices. By following these simple but effective steps, you can set up discounts on your Zoho Invoice, aligning with your business strategy and enhancing client satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.